Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you guys, excuse me, are having a wonderful day. Today guys, I decided to buy a mystery sweetie box from a company called, I think it's Pinkies Sweeties. And this is their contact details on the card below. I have opened the box and I saw the card and I thought it would be good for you guys to get a visual of the little card, and also you can get their socials and how to contact them and buy. This little box was $9.99 complete mystery and $3.99 delivery, so in total £14. And I wanted to get it because I had saw openings of this box on TikTok and I wanted to see what I could get. So you can see the box is not massive, but we're going to open it up and see what we get inside. As a sneak preview, the box looks really packed. It is very, very heavy. So we're going to get started with our first little item. So we've got sour then sweet Sour Patch Kids. These are a fruit mix flavored sweets. I'm not a lover of sour candy sweets, so I'm hoping everything we get in here is not sour. But Sour Patch Kids, I don't think this is bad. These Sour Patch Kids are usually around 99p, maybe a little more, and the date on them is perfectly fine. It's right up until next year. So first little item is our Sour Patch Kids. Oh, we have Fizz Whiz Super Loud Popping Candy in cola flavour. Love cola flavoured candy. This is okay right up until 2026, but I do love popping candy and I love cola flavoured sweeties. So this is pretty neat. I mean, you get the tiniest little amount in the bottom of the bag. I mean, that's probably half, which is still fine. This is what it looks like. Totally don't know if you can hear the fizzle and the pop, but I think they're loud. I don't know about super loud. But the flavour of cola is really, really spot on. I'll finish those off later. We got a Barrett's fruit salad rope. Sorry, it's under 100 calories, which is great. It says that it's soft candy rope covered in fruity mini bites, and it expires on the 30th of the 11th, 2025. Oh my God, so way the next year. But this is intriguing. I used to love fruit salads. Wow, this is actually super pretty. It's covered in the traditional fruit salad colors, pink and yellow. Let's pull it all out. All the little bites are falling off. But this is what it looks like. The smell of fruit salad is super strong. You can see a little bits have fallen off. They're crunchy and soft and very, very, very sweet. But it is a gummy on the bottom, and then you have these little bites. That's definitely an interesting candy. I would say definitely, I love this. This is so good. We'll pop it in the bag. And I'll eat some more of that later. So that's good. I'm just picking up all the little bits that fell off. Oh my God. We have a Purple Raz Screamers Big Lick. It is a sour candy roller. These things I don't like at all. I will definitely not be trying this, but I was just looking for the expiration date. So this is the 17th of the 7th, 2025. So there's tons of time on that. Packaging looks really fun. It says that it's Purple Raz, but it looks very greeny at the bottom, but still the kids I know love sour candy. So I will have no end of takers for this little, for these bits that I'm not trying. And again, we have more of this blue raspberry super sour gel. It's Squeeze Me. It's in a squeezable pack. Again, I don't know what the expiration date on this is. No idea. But inside here, I'm just going to open this one. Oh, you've got this sour, and it's Warheads, which is really good. I do like blue raspberry, but a sweeter version of blue raspberry. So when you scroll it up, this is actually the amount you're getting. And this is what it looks like. It looks like jelly. I'm going to try this just. Oh, wow. That's very, oh, whoa. That is super sour. But it's weird because it has this, oh, it is super sour. It has this weird sweet flavor first. Then the sour comes really punching in. Again, I'm really struggling because the sour is not for me. But I definitely had to try something sour, I guess, in this video. So we have a super sour gel. I'm going to pick up some of the smaller items. We can see we have a watermelon Jolly Rancher Ice Pop, unfrozen, because obviously this needs to be frozen. I'm probably not going to freeze this. I'm probably going to try this out. I'm just going to grab a pair of scissors and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back armed with scissors and just a little cup to put this into. I'll just snip the top and see what color it is. Oh, so it's red in color. Right here. Smells really like watermelon. Also tastes like watermelon too. It's a really strong flavor of watermelon, not unpleasant. Definitely think that would be better if it was frozen. It would be really refreshing as a nice cold ice pop. And then we have an Airhead, grape flavor. These pull my teeth out. So will not be trying these. But they do say not for individual resale. That's perfectly fine. So they'd come in a pack. But I love the flavor of grape. And I do like a nice little Airhead. We got a fruit roll-up. These fruit roll-ups are so fun. It says, look for flavor here. Oh, is this a mystery fruit roll-up? How do you look for the flavor? Oh, it just says flavored with other natural flavors. It isn't a mystery. Look for flavor here. Doesn't tell me. We're going to open this because I have seen lots of different types of roll-ups, but not this particular fruit roll-up. Did I actually even open it? Oh, these are the ones that went viral with all of the pickles. So we just have a... Oh, is my fruit roll-up stuck? My fruit roll-up is stuck. We have a fruit roll-up. I'm assuming, is some sort of orange flavor or multi-flavored. But let's pull this out. Oh, and you do get little patterns on them too. I don't know if you guys can see them. It's a little mushroom. But my fruit roll-up is very, very sticky. It is actually attaching to itself. But we get a fruit roll-up. We'll maybe put that away and enjoy that later. So that's pretty good. Oh, wow. We got milk flavored chews. They are obviously just milk flavored. I've never seen these before, so these are new to me. I definitely want to open them and see what they're like on the inside. Okay, this is what the packaging looks like. You get a whole pack and they say milk flavored. So let's just try that out. See, I assumed they would be white. They're actually softer than you would think. And they do have that artificial milk flavored taste. Not unpleasant. Actually really nice. I mean, definitely a keeper for me. We've got 2 more items inside this box. The first is a Wham drink. This is the weight. This is where all of the weight came from, right here. I'm sorry, I was just trying to finish off that milk chew. It's Wham, Barrett, being made by Barrett's. It's sour raspberry flavored fizzy drink. It says it's got no artificial flavors. I am going to try this, even though it is sour, just because I'm intrigued to see what the actual flavor is or how it tastes. It's definitely got a very raspberry scent to it. Actually smells a lot like Ribena. It smells exactly like Ribena. So I'm going to give this a try. Okay, so this actually tastes a lot like Ribena, more fizzy Ribena, and there's hardly any sour flavor, which is good. It's not a bad drink. It's just definitely not a drink I could drink a whole bottle of. Not unpleasant, and for anybody who likes sour, Wham, raspberry, Ribena flavors, this is a nice addition. And the last thing that I have is this. This packaging is popping with color. It is crazy, crazy, crazy colorful. This is a Screamers, a Dip and Lick Screamers. You get two candy sticks with sour powder dips. So we have a blue raz candy stick and we have a cherry candy stick. Cherry being the least favorite flavor of sweets that I like. We have a sour apple, we have a sour strawberry and a sour lemon. And just by the look of the faces on these caricatures, or these characters is what I should have said, I don't think I'm trying this. But I love the packaging. It's date right up until next year, which is awesome. I can definitely give this to the kids. And you get a ton of powder in here, so it's not a measly candy. It's probably quite a substantial candy. So that's everything that I got in my box. And I don't think for the price of this box I did too bad. I do think I could probably get a lot of these things cheaper, but I would have to buy packs of them to get the variety. So variety wise, I think I did really, really well. Price wise, probably I could buy them cheaper, but I'm not unhappy. I'm not unhappy one iota about this mystery box. I think this mystery box is actually quite good value and the selection is phenomenal. I just wish that not everything was sour. We've got a lot of things in this package that are sour. I don't particularly like sour, but that's my personal preference. Still think we got good value for money. So again, guys, this is the company that I bought this from. Their socials are at the bottom. And on the back of this card, they do offer a 5% discount on my other offer, which is why I'm not showing you the back, because I probably will use that voucher code. But I hope you guys have had fun. Let me know in the comment section if any of you guys have purchased any of these boxes from Pinkies Sweets. I would be really interested to see if you got similar or did you get something different. It's always fun sharing experiences. In the interim though, guys, do leave whatever comments you like at the bottom. Please like, subscribe, and share this video, and I will catch you next time. Take care, everybody. Stay safe. Bye.